In the trenches.
The trenches is coming out.
Yeah, it looks good. Oh yeah, so just a little update. We've got poly pipe here that's going to feed into this tap, and then it comes all the way down the gap there, another side of the garden bed. This feeds just there, the shadow down underground. That's a temporary garden bed. When we move this, we'll finish burying that pipe, that poly. It's all the way down through here. And then to this corner of the shed. So this corner of the shed will have a sink and a tap external, sink internal, and then obviously downpipe off the shed will come in here, so stormwater will come around through this trench, link up with the other side, so link up with the downpipe off this corner of the shed, and then come down into here, tee here, and head down towards head down towards there. Fix that one, we hit that one yesterday, and then power is going to come down that wall and below underneath all the way through to the shed. and then obviously power's then gonna come up here and into the shed. So we just finished digging this, and we can run our power conduit. So I'm going 40 mil in the orange, and then the grey 25 mils for Ethernet and data cable. So well, I'll catch up with you a little later on.